Hello, YouTube family. Half Acre Homestead. I'm Alan, and we're out here checking on the chickens. Getting ready to rain. Anybody want to buy a goat? I got 2 or 3 I'd like to get rid of. If you're around close to Indiana, hit me up. We got 2 nannies. A Spice, and I think it's Daisy, and Punky, and Miss Priss. She's a little female. Then we got our ducks, all our chickens. Got a little silky. Got another little silky around here somewhere. This video tiny one. Punky, quit chewing on my britches. I'm showing y'all around the chicken lot today. Got a lot of thunder rumbling in the background. We're getting ready to go on vacation again, but we're getting ready to start another build on. I was going to build it out yonder, but I'm going to start right here on the back of the barn. Back of the barn right here. And then we're going to build it out. I'm going to go out about 15 foot, 10 by 15. Chicken house. To put our chickens in this winter. We're going to build some stalls. And then we're going to take this pen here. We got to finish. I got all the poles to fix it back. We're going to turn it around this way, long ways, and put the pen in there. And then I'm going to build a fence around this one. And then we're going to build a couple more of these for the baby chicks. And then we've got a lot of stuff coming up. I got finished tearing that one down. And then I got some plywood I'm going to put on the upper part. And then I got the rest of the cedar pickets for the back of the barn. But got a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of building. We hope all y'all join in, hanging there with us. I know I ain't been putting out a lot of videos, but we're going to start getting back into putting the videos out. We got a couple stalls built in the barn and a couple chicken pens. Still got 2 more to build in there, and then we're going to open it up through the middle when we get the back of it built on to where we can walk straight through. I'll take you in here to show you. Chickens is all getting ready to go to bed. Look how nice thing. They're thinking I'm going to feed them again, but they're wrong. Anyway, we got a chicken pen there. We got a stall here for the goats. And we're gonna build another chicken pen right here. And right through here, we're gonna have a door. Because I'm gonna build the back part of it. It's gonna go that way. We're gonna put a door right here where we can just walk straight through. And then we're gonna put another pen over here, a chicken pen. And we got the stall here. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for the ducks this winter Probably will. Have it for the ducks. And then we got a pen right here. We got black copper morans in there. And we got a bunch of babies. There's that little silky. We got little shells. And we got a little bit of everything in here. We got Polish and olive eggers and Easter eggers. There's a Polish over yonder too. But all the Polish I got. It's hard to raise in Polish. Then I got some splash in here, chicks. And the rest of my, there's Americanas, and they're pecking my toes. We got Americanas, they're not Dominicers, they're, and then we got some game hens, game pullets. But I'm serious about the goats. Anybody out there around Indiana or close by and wants some goats? Hit me up. Cause I like goats, but our place just ain't big enough, and we're more into chickens and ducks and turkeys and poultry farm. We like the goats, but we like somebody, that's got goats and raises them. So, but then we got, we like them. Wife don't want to get rid of them, but she says we just ain't got the room. But I'm tearing this down. And we're gonna put a pallet fence down through here. We're gonna fence all this in with pallets, and then we'll have the outer fence for the chickens to run, where we can let them, free range. But we're gonna have the little barn lot with the pallet fence. Then I'm gonna build the pallet. We're gonna build onto this shed here, the barn, and make it bigger. But on this barn, see, I had to get a permit to build it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build it back here, but it's not gonna be attached, so it'll be like a shed on the outside. And that way I won't have to get a permit, and it won't be connected. You just have a walkway. But we'll see what happens. We're going to show you chickens and all that, so everybody likes chickens and goats and ducks. Oh, we got some. We even got some quail. We got 9, and they should be laying here for too long. I'm not for sure what kind them are. We've never raised quail before till now, so I'm gonna give it a whirl and see what happens. If anybody knows what kind of quail these are, y'all can leave it in the comment and let me know. You even got a guinea pig. She needs a boyfriend. She's a barn pig. Ain't your girl? She loves it out here. We had her in a cage, and I said, we're just going to turn her loose in the barn. She's the barn boss. Ain't your girl? Huh? We're gonna try to find her boyfriend. Oh, hear him, Quinn? I think that's a male. Not for sure. I believe it is. He's barking. But we just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. More things to come. I hope all y'all jump in and hang in there, subscribe. 'Cause, we're gonna get busy. So we hope y'all enjoy, and it's been about 10 minutes now. I'm gonna jump off here, so don't forget, subscribe, share it out, give us a thumbs up, tell your friends and family, and we'll catch all y'all later. Have a great evening. See you now.